Ayoko na mag-rank game na lang ako. Last RG ko na to. Pag to talo or di naman walang nag-open mic, naka-trash talkan. Kunwari, panalo kami pero walang nag-open mic, naka-trash talkan. Ayaw ko na. Pag talo, ayaw ko na rin muna. Yun lang. Manalo matalo, magkukwit pa rin ako. Ang hanap ko lang ay ka-trash talkan. Alright. Roaming ako, roaming.
Please ban a hero.
May nakikinig na Black Panther, oh. Nakikinig ka sa salita ni Panginoong Jashin.
Your team is banning.
Pakinggan mo, kaibigan, ang salita ni Panginoong Jashin. Tangina, inop nyo. Inop nyo. Na-weirduhan. Putangina. Inop.
Your team is picking.
Moots pala yun. Okay, moots. Naiihiya ko. Ay na. Show ko na yung Selena ko. Selena roaming.
You should be ashamed for not
more
trusting. The
than
enemy
a
is
weapon.
picking.
I'm going back. So, yun lang. I'm going back. I'm not going back.
I'm bound by
My
nothing,
kiss
be it family
grants you
or hero.
immortality or death.
Woo! Woo-hoo! Did I miss the New Year's Eve party?
When you gaze
The
into the
enemy is
abyss,
picking.
the abyss gazes back.
Time and tide wait for no man, nor
My
girl.
magic flows as freely
Your
as the
team is picking.
winds.
Welcome to the greatest mag show of all time.
Welcome to the
Chivalry
great
is
show
dead.
of all
The enemy
time.
is
I will
picking.
revive it.
Manalo matalo. Basta walang ka-trash talkan. Change game muna tayo.
Love the smell of gunpowder in the morning.
Ano muna tayo. Magko-Call of Duty. Babalik tayo sa ating unang laro. Unang laro na pinag-streaman. Ano, parang humihina na yung views ko no? Pag talaga walang kalokohan na ginagawa, walang views Kailangan talaga maging tarantado ka talaga sa internet no? Para makagain ka ng mga views. Kung hindi naman tarantado, kailangan maging informative ka para mga ganun. Like TPC, tapos Kuya Renan, Real Talk Darbs, Garawi. Kung di naman vlogger ka dapat. Baka magtaka kayo, galaw ako ng galaw. Tangina, kasing short to
Welcome to Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the
Pag
battlefield.
mga vlogger, mga
Smash
kung,
them.
di ba?
All troops deployed.
Mga informative yung mga kay Claro the Third. Ay, kay Claro the Third, mga ano yun,
Come to the dark
mga
abyss.
mystery
I will
theories
lead you to
type shit. Mga kwento-kwento, ganun. Patay na yan, tol. Ang ina mo. Bobo ng ano. Or hindi kinuha yung green.
Warm to me.
O, kunin mo na. O, kukuha niyan. Tanga kay. Ang ina, wala akong execute. Ang ina. Fuck. Patay. Patayan. Patayan.
Do you think I should dye my hair blue?
Wait lang. Gago. Gago. Hindi ko na tamaon. Joke lang yun. Tara, wait.
This little baby.
Gago, wala pala akong natamaan.
I'll be a baby.
Tara, turtle guys. Huwag yan. Ang ina, hindi ako makapag ano.
I'll give you a chance to join my friend.
Tara dito, Kor. Nice one. Ganyan sana ang mga Kor. Kala ko nagtatago. Ang ina. I'm very wrong pala. I am the Queen of Abyss. If everyone's saying, bro. Kung kanina nakaligtas ka, ngayon hindi na. Tatandaan mo yan, kaibigan. Wait na. Ay na, nagpakamatay ka kaagad, tol.
It's a thrill of demonic transformation. Do you think I should dye my hair blue?
Oh, tol. Ito pa. Patay ito. Sabi sa'yo eh.
Understood.
Gago, ba't niyo pa pinatakas yun, tol? Tara dito.
Sure, there are ugly demons
Gago.
in the abyss, but there are also gorgeous pals like me.
Kaya pala.
I'll give you a chance to join my fan club.
Tara, turtle.
Good game.
Come to the dark abyss, and I will lead you to victory.
Launch attack. Ally has slain the turtle. Mega kill. Launch attack. Okay.
Ang ina mo. Ang ina, umabot pa yun.
Understood.
This little lady is the will of the
Initiate
abyss.
retreat. Killing spree. Your team destroyed a turret.
I only have time for handsome guys.
Ang ina mo, patay ka na, tol.
Monster kill. Good game.
At dun tumama.
Why does the moon seem so warm to me?
Joke lang. Gago. Tangina. I'm very sorry. What the fuck? Ba't kasi patagbingi ako eh. Pwede naman papunta na lang dito sa ano eh. Dito sa damo eh. Dito.
Understood.
Pwede naman paatras na lang sana eh. Sayang.
This little lady is a girl of the abyss.
Patay Gusion. Wala na, patay na yan.
Has been slain. Launch attack.
Understood.
Wait lang, wag ka magpapakita, MM. MM, wag ka muna magpapakita.
Launch attack.
Putang ina namang kasing ano yan. Putang ina, patay agad ako. Nice one.
Slain.
Ingat sa turtle.
Attack the turtle.
I'll give you a chance to join my fan club.
Your team destroyed a attack the turtle. Okay.
Sure, there are other demons in the abyss, but there are also gorgeous
Monster kill.
Tara, tara, tara. Palag kung palag. Ang ina mo, kanina pa yan eh.
Double kill.
Stun ako niyan eh.
Killing spree. Triple kill.
Nice one. Push. Push natin, tol. Push lang, tol. Push lang ng push, tol. Gago, patay ako.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Joke lang yun. Siyempre, dinaplisan ko lang. Kumbihado, matano, wag ka sanang magkamali. Sumuko na na. Ang puso. Inalala. Patay na yan. Sa laban, kapalit ay tagumpay. Ay, sakit.
Killing spree.
Push natin, guys. Wala nang gagawin yan, guys.
Come to the
Gago, ba't lang ko pinatama?
I will lead you to victory.
Gago, patay.
Initiate retreat. Shut down.
Tara dito.
Launch attack.
Gago, patay ako. Patay yung ano, core namin. MM. Nice one. Core namin, MM. Wala ka na dyan, hindi na ito tutulungan dyan. Gago, naglalag ako.
Our turret is under attack. Launch attack.
Gago, natamaan ko pala to.
Sure, there are other demons in the abyss, but they are also gorgeous.
Tara, Lord na.
Request backup.
Gago, ba't naglalag ako? What the fuck is my device, bro?
I should dye my hair blue.
Ally has slain.
Ano, naghahalimang sa rank. Gago, patay.
I only have time for something, guys.
Enemy has been slain.
Tago muna. Medyo dehado eh. Joke lang. Gago, buti hindi ako pumunta dun.
Slain an enemy. team destroyed the turret.
Gago, patay ako. Ah! Shit! Kaya niya na yan. Ah, sa sakit ng hero niyo eh.
Killing spree.
Yun lang.
Launch attack.
Mas masakit pala ang Tore. Bonak. Doon inano yung ulti sa halip na sa Lord. Sinayang ang ulti sa wala.
Initiate retreat.
Why does the
Patay.
moon seem so warm?
Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
Ano yun, ganyan sana ang ano.
Enemy double kill.
Ganyan sana ang tawag doon sa hero na yun. Tangina, sakit ng ano. Bea. Julian, tangina. Hindi yung tulad nung kanina.
Our turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. You have slain an enemy. Your team destroyed the turret. Double kill. Attack. Launch attack.
This little lady is the will of the abyss.
Tangina, naglalag ako. Nagpa-frame FPS drop. Paano may end ng ang kukunat ng mga hero nila, tol?
Killing spree.
Gago, natamaan ko pa yun.
Double kill. An enemy has been slain.
End na, end na. Tangina, nakatakas pa ako dun.
This little lady is the will of the abyss.
Slain. White your team destroyed the turret.
Basic. Pag nanalo, basic. Pag natalo, tangina mga kakampi to.
Victory.
So yun lang, wala akong nakatrash talkan. Hanggang dito na lang. MVP pa ako. So yun lang, hanggang dito lang. Peace out. Tangina, nag goodbye ano yun, no? Goodbye flying kiss eh. Wala na. Wala nang mapagtripan sa comment section. Sa chat section. So yun na, dito na lang. Peace. W's in the chat. So baliwang putik. So ayoko, ikakat ko na yun.
People can't be won over with force.
Ulit.
You have to move their hearts.
Ulit na goodbye. So peace. W's in the chat. So yun, hanggang dito na lang. 1, 2, 3.